Hey, let me show you 4 hidden modes and features on the POCO X6 Pro. So the first, we are going to start from the settings, open About Phone, and first we can find here very obvious developer options. So when you keep tapping on the OS version, you will get this information that now you are in the developer mode, and when you open the additional settings, scroll all the way down and select the developer options, you can find here actually a lot of options. For example, you can turn on the demo mode, the OMM unlocking to be able to enable the bootloader. You can find here the USB debugging, or for example, you can check the battery temperature with the gaming tool that appears almost at the bottom of the list. The next mode will be also right here, but you will have to go for the detailed info and the specs. And from here, when you keep tapping on the internal storage, you will open this testing information on your phone. So when you open it, here you can find some IMEI number, phone number, you can run the ping test and other stuff like here. You can also go to Wi-Fi information, you can check the Wi-Fi status or get the whole Wi-Fi config. And when you go back, that's basically it for the testing mode. Another one appears for the kernel version. So when you keep tapping right here, you will open the CIT testing menu. So here we can check the SIM cards, the gyroscope, the touch sensor. We can check the top speaker.
8, 7, 8.
The same for the bottom speaker. We can check some front camera, rear camera, battery indicator. You can also check here the battery temperature. From here we can tap on the right upper corner and check the additional tools. Open the additional tools, so you can perform the calibration of your camera, the gyroscope sensor calibration, just from here, and other things. The next option, it will be appears actually right here when you keep tapping on your CPU. So from here you can actually perform the bug report. So click agree, and now when you open this notification panel, you will be actually able to find the bug report. When you click on it, you will be able to open it straight into your internal storage. So that's the bug report file that you can actually share to someone, and that's the creating process. And that's how it looks. That's actually 4 hidden modes and features on the settings in the POCO X6 Pro. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.